I just happen to be fortunate enough to know someone with a paint spraying booth with with heated makeup air and exhaust system and all the good stuff. And he happened to owe me a favor, so I leaned on him to spray primer on this boat hull. In a previous video, we had shown how clean the hull was. In addition to sanding it all down, we used TSP, which is trisodium phosphate. Not the substitute, not the could be, should be, but the real TSP. Diluted water, wipe it down, rinse it off, to further prep the hull. And that'll get it ready for the primer that we're spraying on right now. This is a specialty primer. It is for galvanized and or aluminum metal. Purchased on the internet from an outfit in Roseville, Michigan. They specialize in marine enamel coatings. This is an oil-based enamel primer. They were kind enough to color it close to the same color as the paint's going to be, for a little extra charge. They were fair. This guy's applying this to the hull, and he does a super job. You'll notice that every little nook and cranny is primered. He hits it from every angle. He's painted cars previously, so I leaned on him for his experience. It's a complete coverage, and it's a dead flat primer, of course, and we're going to use a dead flat paint over top of it. It's all meant for marine application. It lays on good, creates a good looking surface. If it's durable, we'll find out, I guess, but everything indicates that it will be. This outfit will mix any color paint you want. I'm going to be using this boat a lot for duck hunting, so I want a non-reflective pond bank mud color is what I went for. It's a flat drab browny yellow color. You could apply camo over it, camo paint job, or some sort of vinyl clad system on top of it if you wanted, I guess. I'm not in for all that. My blind will likely cover the sides of the boat, so it's not really going to be an issue. When I'm set up and hunting, you won't even see the boat itself. All you'll see is the blind. This was a lot of this was shot through a window, actually a window door into the paint booth, just so you could stand and watch. If you get into spraying something, this guy's using nice even long strokes to get good coverage and overlapping. That's what it takes